Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2022 Haval H6 stock number 7289. It's run from the second 2021 to the current shape. There's a GW4N20 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a GW4N20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard, left front 19-inch factory automatic tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate, right hand taillight, right rear door no dents, right front door mirror, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,